Okay, been a long time since I've made a video. Here we go to Uniden UH015sx with that classic receive fault. When you turn it on, often that signal meter just sits flat out and there's no signal around. If you try hit monitor button, you can hear a real faint hiss. Okay, so it's practically not working, and I've got another little UHF nearby, so obviously transmit's fine. Yeah, 1 2 1 2 3 4. As you can see, transmit's fine, but receive 1 2. I'm trying to transmit on the handheld right now into it, and it's just completely deaf. No audio. If I crank that volume right up, you might just hear slight bit of variation as you turn the volume absolutely flat out. All right, I'll cut away the repairs, come back, and then we'll do a demo of it all working. Catch you soon. Alrighty, part 2. Here we go. Seems like it's working. Yes. Normal open scorch sound. Yes. No signal meter sitting in the way, and obviously we expect that transmit will be fine. Yes, sure. And then next time we're going to try 1 2 3 1 2 1 2. Yes, we have some beautiful RX there, Romeo. Alrighty, so then finally there's some bunch of workers. Hopefully they'll be kind enough to give me a radio check on channel 20 and just see how we go. Anyone give me their radio check? Just finished fixing up a radio. 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4.
Yeah, 1 2 3 4. You've got a copy.
Alright, beauty. Thanks, mate. Does that sound pretty clean? Pretty cool, yeah?
Yeah, I'm not clean, but yeah, you seem pretty clean.
Yeah, beauty. No worries. Okay, thanks, mate. There you go. Dunsky.